Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey. And on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would undo your negative battery cable. This vehicle, the battery is located behind this panel. This is in the fender well, or the wheel well, of your driver's side tire. So you'll need to jack up the vehicle, support it with jack stands, and remove the tire. And then we've got to remove this cover here with a bunch of push pins, and then we can gain access to where the battery is to be able to disconnect the negative battery cable. It's not accessible really from the top without removing tons of time. Okay, so we've removed the push pins that hold this in. They're apparently pretty stiff and tough to get out. And now we can gain access to our battery cable right there. You want a 10mm wrench, and then we're gonna just undo this connector just to get it out of the way. And right in here is the negative post nut. We loosen that, and then we should be able to so you got to work it up. It's got a lot of electric on top of it. It's all these electric connections holding this down, and then once you're able to get this to move and rotate, you can push it up and then be able to undo your negative battery cable. In case you're doing any electrical work and you don't want to electrocute yourself, that's how you would undo your negative battery cable on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.